Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to change language in Google Gemini AI app. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are fairly new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Google Gemini app. I'm going to simply look for my Google Gemini app, just like so. So here we go. So this is my Google Gemini app. So I'll simply click on it. So having opened up the app, next thing we want to do is to simply click on our profile icon from the top. Then it take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on languages. So it's going to take you right here. At this point here, you can switch to any language of your choice, and it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change language in Google Gemini app. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.